beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to another video. We are going to the largest waterfall in Europe. The RHINE Falls is the largest waterfall in Europe. It is located in the eastern part of Switzerland. It runs through Germany and the Netherlands. I booked this tour through Get Your Tour Guide, link in my description box. This offer includes a transportation from the city center down to the waterfalls. It also includes a professional tour guide that will guide you through all the process. Not only will you have the opportunity to have a feel of the largest waterfall in Europe, you also have the opportunity to walk through the countryside of Zurich, which I think is one of the most beautiful things to see when in Switzerland. The tour starts at Best of Switzerland's bus terminal, which is located in the city center of Zurich. I've just gotten some snacks for me to eat on the way. So we are currently here at the largest waterfall in Europe. It's called the RHINE Waterfall. So we're just gonna get our ticket. It lasts for about 5 hours in total. You can go either in the morning or in the evening. I opted out to go in the evening because I just landed Switzerland that day. So after we arrived at the RHINE Falls, we're giving a brief orientation of the area.
So restrooms on the right hand side. I go and get the ticket.
So we had a tour around the area for a while before going to the waterfall.
When you do a cruise on the Rhine, you see very big farms on the way, and those as well. Now it's from 1546.
As you can see, it is very busy. It is one of the busiest waterfall in Europe. You can get your ticket at the site, but it's not always advisable as it is more expensive. But if you book online, you are able to scan your ticket from your mobile phone.
You got me feeling kinda crazy. You got me feeling like my head is spinning round. The way you look is so amazing, amazing. I could stare into your eyes for hours and hours. Everything is kinda hazy. We're just dancing in the dark in the flashing lights. I know you can't hear what I'm saying, so I'm just gonna hold you closer. You take me higher when we're together. It feels like...
To get to the waterfall, we have to use a lift, which is really pretty because then you can see the 360 angle of the waterfall, then a little bit of hike down to the waterfall. Please wear comfortable shoes when you are coming for this tour.
It feels like you set my whole world on fire. I know I want you. I know I need.
After about 10 to 15 minutes, voila, we got to the most beautiful waterfall in Europe. This is so beautiful, guys. And yes, you have the option to get into the boat. This is only available during summer and it depends on the weather. It is very dangerous during winter, so they do not really have a boat ride during
You're running, I won't deny. You know you make me feel so alive. I wanna stay with you, never say goodbye. It's like we're in paradise, like we're in paradise.
It's very relaxing. You get to have the feel of the waterfall because you're literally so close to it like this. The boat ride is about 10 francs. It is not included in the group trip as it is optional and it's not always available. I highly recommend you do this because it is so relaxing other than just seeing the waterfall from a distance.
Feel so alive. I wanna stay with you, never say goodbye. It's like we're in paradise, like we're in paradise, yeah. Don't know how you do
Around the waterfall, there are loads of places for you to take pictures and videos. You just have to be ready and be ready to beat the crowd because there are lots of people there.
Maybe it's the way you move, babe, move, babe. You've got that body and that smile, make my head spin round. I'll hold you close to me.
After a while at the waterfalls, we had to go into the city of Zurich. We also went into the countryside. It was really beautiful. This is
Example of a building. This is actually
also included in the tour, so if you book the tour, you're going to have a feel of these locations.
Fire, I know I want you, I know I need you here. You're Robin, I won't deny. You know you make me feel so alive. I wanna stay with you, never say goodbye. It's like we're in Paris.
Don't forget to get your Swiss travel pass. That's what I use to travel around Switzerland. It is absolutely very convenient. And then it was time to head back to my hotel. If you're wondering where to stay in Zurich, I recommend you stay at Radisson's Zurich Airport. It is just about 45 minutes from the international airport and is located in a very nice place. Loads of local shops around, just 5 minutes walk. They have Aldi. It's very beautiful, as you can see, and it's really affordable.
Feeling kinda crazy. You got me feeling like my head is spinning round. The way you look is so amazing, amazing. I could stare into your eyes for hours and hours. Everything is kinda hazy. We're just dancing in the dark.
Everything was going on fine until I saw their shower room. You guys, this shower room has to be the most funniest shower room I've ever seen. Like, why is it so tiny and why is it where it is? Like, why is it in this location just before my bed? I was like really surprised when I saw this. Let me know, have you seen something like this before? And tell me how you feel about this particular shower room in the middle of the room, literally. Hi guys, so we're currently going to get breakfast. I literally missed the hotel breakfast today. I was like answering calls and messages and all that, so I missed it. Just going outside to the road to get something else to eat. I'm going to show you guys around.
You know you make me feel so alive. I wanna stay with you.
I am tired. So I am just at the train station here, currently waiting for my next train. There are other tours you can do when in Zurich. I didn't have so much time in Zurich because I had to go to Montigny and I also had to go to Zermatt. So please, if you have time, you can do these tours on the screen. Link in my description box as well. I hope you love my content enough to subscribe and hit the like button. More videos on Switzerland will be dropping in the coming weeks. Thank you so much for... I'll see you guys later.